Nike Air Force 1 Low. Baroque Brown and University Red 2025. Nike has added 4 new colorways to their Air Force 1 lineup, but the Baroque Brown/University Red variant stands out for its sophisticated yet athletic design. The shoe's upper gives it a classy and structured appearance by combining a cream-colored leather foundation with dark brown suede overlays on the toe box, heel, and collar. In stark contrast to the subdued brown, the swoosh and the logo on the tongue and heel are in a vibrant red that is reminiscent of the traditional club colors. The standard Air Force 1 comfort and durability are offered with a rubber outsole and a clean sail midsole. The sneaker will price for $130 when it launches in late spring 2025 and will be sold online at Nike and at a few Nike sportswear stores.